Welcome to Croatia. Join me as we explore the breathtaking landscapes and historic gems of Croatia. From the shimmering coastline that greets the Adriatic Sea to the lush greenery that carpets the inland, Croatia is a treasure trove of natural wonders and cultural heritage. As we delve into the heart of this stunning country, we'll discover hidden gems and popular spots alike, each telling its own story of history, tradition, and natural beauty. Step into the historic old town of Dubrovnik, where ancient city walls stand as sentinels over the sparkling blue of the Adriatic. Walking these walls, one can almost hear the echoes of history, while the panoramic views offer a constant reminder of the city's strategic importance through the ages. Dubrovnik is not just a relic of the past, but a vibrant, breathing monument to human resilience and artistry. Marvel at the cascading waterfalls and crystal clear lakes of Plitvice Lakes National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The symphony of waterfalls connecting the 16 lakes makes this one of Croatia's most spectacular natural attractions. Hiking trails invite you to explore deeper into this watery wonderland, where each turn unveils a new vista more breathtaking than the last. Bask in the Mediterranean sun on Hvar Island, renowned for its stunning beaches, fragrant lavender fields, and exuberant nightlife. This island not only dazzles with its natural beauty, but also with its vibrant cultural scene. As day turns to night, the island transforms into a lively hub of activity, blending ancient traditions with modern festivities. In the heart of Split lies Diocletian's Palace, a monumental relic from Roman times now bustling with life as locals and tourists alike wander its ancient corridors. Beyond the palace, the old town offers a maze of charming streets, each brimming with stories and inviting cafes that beckon for a moment of respite. Perched on a hill overlooking the Adriatic, Rovinj captivates with its colorful houses and winding cobblestone streets. This old town is a picturesque scene straight from a postcard, offering serene views and a peaceful ambience that makes it a perfect escape for lovers and dreamers alike. Venture to Korcula Island, where medieval streets whisper tales of the past, under the shadow of Marco Polo's alleged birthplace. This island blends its rich history with stunning natural landscapes, offering a journey through time framed by the crystal clear waters of the Adriatic. Discover Zagreb, the vibrant capital of Croatia, where historic upper town meets a lively contemporary culture. Museums abound, offering a dive into the rich tapestry of Croatian history and art, while the city's cafes and markets pulse with the energy of its people. In Pula, history comes alive at the Roman Amphitheatre, one of the largest and best preserved in the world. This ancient structure is a testament to Pula's historical significance in the Roman Empire, standing proudly as a monument to architectural and cultural achievement. Immerse yourself in the natural beauty of Krka National Park, where you can swim near stunning waterfalls and explore a diverse range of flora and fauna. The park's ecosystems are as dynamic as they are beautiful, offering a sanctuary for both wildlife and the human spirit. Relish the tranquil beauty of Makarska, nestled at the foot of the majestic Biokovo mountain range. With its pristine beaches and scenic hiking trails, Makarska is a haven for those seeking both adventure and relaxation, offering breathtaking views that bridge the mountainous terrain and the vast sea. From the ancient walls of Dubrovnik to the serene waters of Plitvice, Croatia is a land of diverse wonders waiting to be discovered. Each destination we've visited tells a unique story of nature's beauty and human history, interwoven into the fabric of this enchanting country. Thank you for joining me on this journey through Croatia's most enchanting spots. Until next time, keep exploring and cherishing the incredible world around us.